Okay. You're not going to want to see me ever again, are you? I'll just kind of do one more last kind of quick. Okay. Time for diaper.
Oh, I have one.
Do you have one? Okay. Usually, unless your baby is
It's the same.
12 pounds, you don't really need a size 1.
Oh.
Wait, it'll work, like you can fold it down, but you can just ask your nurse for a newborn. So when you put the diaper on, you want to always fold underneath the umbilical cord, so it's out of the way. And you want it snug, but not too tight. Make sure the flaps are out. Okay, you got some clothes there?
You think just one is enough?